What is clearing? Clearing matches applicants who haven't yet secured a place with any universities that have places yet to be filled. It runs from the 6th of July until late October. And you can apply for clearing if you meet one of the following criteria. You submitted your UCAS application after the 30th of June. You didn't receive any offers, conditional or unconditional. You didn't achieve the grades required. Or you haven't accepted any offers. Our creative undergraduate degrees have clearing places available, including fine art, photography, film, and more. If you would like more information, please visit our website or phone us on 01752 203 402 to talk about your clearing options with one of our team.